captivity. No, I don't think that's liberty. So I need freedom, spiritually. Free I need, free I need, free I need to be free. Can't bother with the war and the crime. Can't bother you but mind me for mine. Can't bother every time when me try to step up in on the line. You pull me down as me climb. Can't bother with the seats and the lies. Me own a friend want me meet me demise. Can't bother when the gun them arise and people are dead. Me can't sleep in my bed. Can't bother for you run from police. Can't bother with the war and no peace. Can't bother for me live out of east. Me can't go away from the wood and be a deceased. Can't bother for you live behind bars. Like me freedom the way behind bars. Me try to move forward, but it's like say me stuck in a traffic and me lay behind cars.
Free I need, free I need, free I need to be free, yeah. Free I need, free I need, free I need to be free. They say that we are free, but I'm still searching for my freedom. It's not working. Although you see me smiling, I'm still hurting, yeah. Free I need, free I need, free I need to be free. I need to be free. I need to be free.
Can't bother for living a poverty. Can't bother me not even have a key. Not even for a piece of jalapeno or a little load pan a piece of property. Can't bother when I meet the camp of pray. Like so them want beat me with my country. Can't bother cause there's not a day we pass and me no feel like say me like away. Can't bother for your work like a slave. Friday come and me no get a proper pay. Can't bother cause there's not a day we pass and me no feel like we find another way. Can't bother for you live behind bars. We freedom the way behind bars. We try to move forward, but it's like say me stuck in a traffic and me dey behind cars. I say free I need, free I need, free I need to be free. Free I need, free I need, free I need to be free. And I say only for stuff we need to be free from. Free from mental slavery. Free from all this crime and violence. Free from sin. And all these things. Now I mean, I wanna be free. Free I need, free I need, free I need to be free. Cause I wanna be free. Wanna be free. I wanna be free. I need to be free. Cause I wanna be free. God bless. My boy DJ. I mean I said I wanna have straight out of street but of studio. Don't know the thing go. I mean I said slowly but surely. Lord will come through it. You don't know the thing go. I can't tell them something then. Slowly but surely. Right, I know what me feel for. I no reefer. Scripture what they on the leaf, ya make devil leave ya. God a block a shot a keeper in a FIFA and deliver me like a pizza off of the streeter. Now the knife in me Jesus, cause me no Peter. Holy Spirit and me teacher, come and a preacher. Me no follow back a neither, cause me a leader. You know enough for me can Libra. You a Libra, surely I'll be holy. God die for me sin like him holy. And him be able to go action can holy. Anything me don't know, the Lord him a show me slowly but surely I'll be holy. God die for me sin like him holy. And him be able to go action can holy. Anything me don't know, the Lord him a show me tell them. Them I wonder how me reach up at the peak. Stepping at the face of reaper. With my sneaker me bun devil like a Easter. With a eater me hotter than a proper fever. Me no freezer when me go down pandemnesia. Devil have to run like same is a pack of zebra or a river. Me no in and no eager, no hurry neither. Man a salam and a coulda wa do shiva. But surely I'll be holy. God die for me sin like him holy. And him be able to go action can holy. Anything me don't know, the Lord him a show me slowly. But surely I'll be holy. God die for me sin like him holy. And him be able to go action can holy. Anything me don't know, the Lord him a show me Jesus. Him never feel not a one fox. Satan in cunning like a one fox. Anytime me want help, God me contact. Walk by faith, so me don't want no contact. And me say, the most I send him son fi die for me, so me have to big up me grandpa. So all when me dey a studio, I lay down a one.
Alright guys, so on my lips I am wearing Think Pink and it's by Wet n Wild. To line my lips I'm wearing Miss College number 206 lip liner. And over Think Pink I'm wearing NYC's Intense Lip Color in Nolita Neutral. Jonathan! For my glow I'm wearing Rose Gold by Sleek. It's a blush surprisingly. And for the blush I'm wearing Runway by Motives Cosmetics. Yes, this glows everything though. It's everything. Oh, under my lips, on my lips, before I put on my lipstick and stuff, I'm wearing Mary Kay's Atomic Red. And it's like a chapstick. Well, I wear it as a chapstick. It has color to it, as you can see. But I wear it as a chapstick. So yeah. So that's basically it. My lashes are Fashionista Lashes by my line, Pomade by Lyric. And as I've said before, as I've said before, you guys can look out for the launch of these in the summer. We're just finalizing the packaging so that we can have them ready for you, and we'll be starting out with these styles, this style first. Alright, so that's it you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll talk to you next time.
Slowly but surely I'll be holy. God die for me sin like him holy. And him be able to go action can holy. Anything me don't know, the Lord him a show me slowly but surely I'll be holy. God die for me sin like him holy. And him be able to go action can holy.